Ji, assalamualaikum guys, and I say assalamualaikum, and you can see guys, we already received another parcel and we are again happy to open it. Look the excitement of the Ahmed. Ahmed just want to get the scissor and he will open it. Ahmed, don't cut your hand. This is so much sharp. So I just want to see the reaction of Ahmed when he will see, because this is the pre-birthday gift for Muhammad Ahmed Ali, and we are so much thankful to Sir Raymond and his family, Sir Raymond Buenaventura and his family, and
Thank you so much, Sir Raymond and family
also
Buenaventura.
so much thankful for his grandchild Kyle. So thank you so much,
Kyle.
the whole family members, Buenaventura and Sir Raymond Buenaventura and Kyle. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, the whole family. So now we are going to open it. Ahmed, are you ready? So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillah.
You can see this is fragile, so we need to see if I can. Oh, so you already see all the address of us. Okay, guys, so no worries. I am going to open it from this side, and let's see what we received early today morning. And I was, as usual, I was busy, and this is already 11:05 p.m. And I am just going to open this parcel, and I will see what we received. But actually, Ahmed received, and we will see the reaction of Ahmed. Ahmed, are you ready?
Thank you
ready?
so much.
Thank you so much. This is the gift for Ahmed Ali, and because Ahmed's birthday is coming soon.
You need to tell them.
So Ahmed received this parcel. So let's see what Ahmed received. Ahmed, are you excited? Oh my God, what can I see here? So this is the picture of the gift, which is mentioned here on the top, but I will not show you this. I am going to show you what it has inside actually, the real picture. So Ahmed, are you ready?
Are you ready?
To receive? What you will say? Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Say thank you so much, Sir Raymond.
Ahmed cannot sit without
Baby
his
Kyle.
cartoons. Oh my God. Please take a video. You can see here, they mention.
What they
You
mention?
can see. They
yeah.
mention, please take a video
While
opening the parcel. No video, no refund. Thank you.
Wow.
So guys, they already mentioned. Hey, is it visible? You can see.
Yes,
So,
yes.
you can see the message there. The
Version.
shop. They mentioned there. Just make a
Maybe
video
because,
if you want to see the if there is any damage.
Yes.
So guys, as usual, I am making the video. So guys, I am going to open it finally. Ahmed, are you ready? Ahmed, stand up. Let's see you. So we are in.
Right.
Let's see if I can see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ahmed, stand up. Come here. Look at this. This is for you. Wow! Just see the reaction of Ahmed. If I can see. Ahmed, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillah.
Ahmed, see. I am more than excited.
Oh.
Oh,
Wow.
Ahmed,
Mashallah.
Ahmed already took this out.
Oh, they already
Oh,
saw
so
what
guys,
you
wow. Oh my God, we need to assemble it.
Yes. Why? What happened?
Wow, so guys, this is another big gift.
Mashallah. No, they
Look at
can
this, Ahmed
see already here.
Yes,
And
they
the
can
back.
see here. So guys, you can see one Ahmed already took out. These are the
Yes.
gifts. Wow, look at this. This is the tire.
Oh, mashallah. Congratulations, Ahmed
Ahmed,
Ali.
you have a motorbike. Wow,
Wow.
look at this. This is the indicator. Oh, Ahmed is saying what it is this?
Oh, Ahmed, there's a
Ahmed,
wire.
don't break this.
Don't-
These are the wires. So we will use this one. Wow,
Oh,
mashallah,
It's really
mashallah.
color. Favorite color of
The
Ahmed.
favorite color of Ahmed.
Red
It
color.
is red. Wow, look at this.
Oh, Daddy. What
So
are
guys,
you?
this video is going to be so lengthy video because I am going to assemble it in front of you.
Mashallah. Wow. Ahmed Ali. Wow.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Thank you you so much,
Sir
sir.
Raymond, I am serious.
So beautiful gift. Mashallah, mashallah.
Mashallah.
So we have this. Mashallah, the seat cover. I need to see, and there is one booklet. Look at this,
Mashallah.
guys. This is the bike. Oh my
Mashallah,
God.
mashallah. Alhamdulillah. Wow.
Look at this. Is it visible?
Yes, yes.
So guys,
I
this
will-
is the bike.
Oh, wow.
Mashallah. So I need to assemble.
Alhamdulillah,
Hey man, this
mashallah.
is the motorbike. Oh
Yay!
my God! And Sir Raymond really sent the red color, the best, the favorite color of Ahmed Singh.
Yes, thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much for it.
Because Ahmed likes the red color always.
Yes.
Even his bathtub is red. You don't take a bath without that one.
Yes, that is a secret.
Mashallah.
Wow.
Wow!
Mashallah,
Ahmed, look
mashallah.
at this.
Alhamdulillah.
Ahmed, the only interest is in the small tires. Ahmed, don't mix it all. So guys, this is the
Okay.
motorbike. Oh my God.
Wow.
This is the silencer, and there is the tire. So this is the tire. I think here, but before it, I think we need to use this one.
Okay. For what? So how many hours you will assemble this?
Let's see how many. I think this is like this.
Okay.
I I hope so. So guys, before I will fix it, I should see the manual first.
Yes.
I think this is the right
yes.
place. I will see the manual and then we will continue it again.
Okay.
And also the Jannat is crying.
Right.
So you
I
see
will-
the Jannat and also I will see this manual.
Okay.
And we will fix it. Then we will see what Ahmad's reaction when it will complete.
Yes,
It will be
inshallah.
complete. Ahmad is so much excited to open it. Ahmad, just wait. This is the bike. Ahmad, this is the bike. Wow.
That is the
So this is
manual.
it.
Wow! Yay!
Okay, so you just pause
Okay.
it right now. So I
Okay.
will just check what are the
Step by
steps, and then
step.
I will
Okay.
continue in the same
Okay.
way.
See you guys.
Okay guys, it's already half an hour. I was trying how to fix it and it's gave me a really hard time. I'm just doing puzzling.
It's
how-
challenging your knowledge.
Yeah, challenging my knowledge. I don't know how I can fix it, but I will try my best.
Okay,
So guys, what
inshallah.
as per the instruction, what I found it. So we have this one here, right? So
What is
there is a place here. If you can see, there is a place. So what we will do, we will fix it here. But before we will fix it here, we have the two pedals. So one is for the race. This one is for the race. As you can see here, there is a
Wire.
wire here. So this side, this one is for this side, and this one is for other side. So what I will do, I am going to fix it first this side. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So if you can see, it has the locks here. So I will also follow the same locks inside. This is the straight, and Bismillah. We can fix it if we can do. Yes. Oh my God. It's not going inside.
While your son is so calm.
This side. Done. Oh yes. Done.
Mashallah.
Alhamdulillah. Mashallah. You did you hear the vibe?
Yes.
Sound?
Voice.
Sound, sorry. Yeah, so it means it has locked here. So this one is already locked. And now I am going to put it on other side. So this is the other side. So I am going to just going to fix it. The wire here. So Bismillah. So Bismillah. This is the wire. I think it's already connected or not yet. So let's see. This is the way.
Okay.
Bismillah. Look at this, guys.
Mashallah.
This is already locked. So
Okay.
it is already locked. We will
Wait
put
for
it
one.
inside. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Again, I will follow the same instructions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So
Wait for one.
yes.
Look at that you're
Yes.
fixing.
Alhamdulillah. So guys, the race is already fixed. Wow.
Wow, mashallah. Look at that.
Now this is the time to fix this one. So now I am going to fix it. So this one is the one I am going to fix it.
What the to? What
So
the?
guys, you can see the holes here. This pedal has also the clips here. This is the clip, so I am going to fix it right now.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
This,
This is the
wait for our number.
I need to see the same holes.
Ah,
If
yeah.
This is the hole here.
Okay.
This can be fixed. This one by here. So if that is not balanced, which means I need to push it more or push it up. So this one I need to press it more, so then it will have the same direction. So guys, just you pause it now. I will fix it first and then I will show you.
Okay.
Okay guys, I successfully assembled it here this side. So that is the difficult one for me. And after that I will see what it will what if it will easy or difficult. So guys, this is the tires. Oh wow. So what we are going to do now, just like this, put it on outside and we need to tighten it. This is for the support, so then and the baby will have no unbalance. That is for the support actually. And it has already stopper here, so you cannot tight more than this. So this is only the function of it. You can use it and you cannot put it inside. I saw they mentioned it should be outside, so I am going to do this because if you will see this one, I am going to insert it. It's not passing here, right? So that is why this is the way. So and you don't need any other screw because you can see the blue one here, that is the stopper. So you just use your hand and it's done. So guys, this is already done. I don't need to put it more effort on here. So this one is so easy. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is ready. You can see it has already support. So outside, so the kid will not fall down. And now this is the time to fix the handle. So how you will fix that handle? You can see here. This is the holes. So we are going to use it like this. Don't be so aggressive. So and this one is the longest one. So I am going to put it here like this. And the hole is there also. Done. So you can see these are already coming here. And what I am going to do now, this one you can see the place, so it can be fixed here. So this is so easy. So before I will fix it, you can see this one, the hole I put the one, there is one plastic hole like this, so I fix it here. So you should also fix it here first. Then there is the screw. Where is the screw? Yes, it's fixed here. Again, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For the first time I am fixing it. So it's getting some time for me to fix it well. So look at this guys. This is fixed. Alhamdulillah, mashallah. And now I have screw here. I will tighten it here. That's all. And the next thing is this one. So I am going to fix it here like this. The video length will be so much long. So I will just fix it, then we will continue it. Just pause it now. Look Ahmad, what Ahmad is doing. So guys, you can see I already fixed it here. It has already stopper here, so it will not go more than that. So this is already fixed. The next what we will do, don't play with the scissor. So I'm so much afraid because Ahmad is always getting my scissor. So this one I am just going to fix it right now like this.
Ahmad, give it to mommy.
So this is
What?
that's all. This
What
is
is-
only just you need to tighten it. I already told you, if you can see it has a stopper glue inside. So this is the only
So how's your assembly?
easiest way. It's so easy. You just a bit tricky. You just need to focus.
Oh,
The way I am just
it's already 1 hour.
It's already 1 hour and I couldn't finish.
I'm already 8.
So guys, you don't need any screw. You can use only your hand and this is fine. Wow. So guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our
Now
bike
you-
is ready.
Wow! Let me see that. Wow!
So guys,
So
the bike is ready.
beautiful.
And the next what I will do,
Mashallah, mashallah.
I need to fix the handle first. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the handle and you can see the wires here.
Wait.
So these are the wires. It has two wires. So one is for the headlight and one is for the meter, the handle. So both are red and black. So I guess you can use anyone. So we will see where is the lock. Lock is this side and this side. So this is the way. Female and male. Fix it. Done.
That's one.
I'm always afraid.
Why?
What if?
Ahmad,
Yes, that's it.
see your toy. Wow! Say thank you.
I'm just checking if it is working or not, or do we need to charge it, because they mentioned you need to charge it for 12 hours. So if this is already this one, I will try this on other side. Yes. No. Maybe after the charging it will work. So I need to assemble it first. Then I will
Okay.
see the charging. Guys, look at this. The handle is
Mashallah.
ready. Wow, I'm just thinking if I could like this. So guys, it has here. You need to tighten the screw here
The other wire. For what is that?
for the headlight.
Ah,
I will use that the wire. So this one.
Wow! Ahmad Ali, oh. See your toy. Say thank you, Sir Raymond. Wow! Wow!
Wow, I'm not saying wow. I will just tighten the screw and then we will continue again.
Okay. Bismillah.
Break time. Okay guys, I already fixed the handle. You can
Mashallah.
see the this one I already tightened here. Now I am going to fix the light. So
Headlight.
I am just
So it's
fixing
really,
it for now.
it's already done.
Yeah, it's almost done.
All-
Look at this guys, this is the
Mashallah,
one and I
mashallah.
will just tighten the screw and then I will
Ah.
this is only the way. Look at this,
Ah.
this and just tighten it here.
Hmm.
I will tighten then I will show you next.
Okay.
Okay guys, look at this. I already tightened the screw here and now there is a space to just fix the side mirror.
Mm.
So how you will fix, I just noticed, we just need to put it inside like this.
Okay.
So I tried earlier, it was working. Let's see. Now I will see again this one. Yes, I was using the wrong one, that is why it was not fixing. This is the
Wow,
correct. Look
mashallah.
at this. It goes inside, right?
Yes.
So it fits. Wow.
Wow.
I will show you how. It has hole here
Ah.
and if you will put it like this, it cannot go. So
Yes.
just insert it inside like this
Okay.
and then hold it. How? Oh no, I am just wrong side. This is the way. Look at this. And it's
Ah.
fixed. Wow.
Mashallah.
So guys, this is already fixed here. Now we will see the bike. Wow.
What a song!
So guys, look at this. I am going to.
It's like your dream motor.
I was also planning to buy. The right? So I didn't buy yet, but Ahmed already has. Wow, lucky baby.
Without driving license.
Ahmed don't need any driving license. Yes. So I am just fixing it, the wire.
Mm.
So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Mashallah.
This one is already fixed.
Okay.
We have 2 screw option here. This is here. So what I will do, I will just insert it back here, and then I will fix it here. So
Okay.
now look at this side. This is the
Wow.
final look. So I am going to tighten the screw here. But before I will tighten this screw, I will tell you one thing.
Mm.
So when I am going to tighten the screw here, I use the small screw.
Okay.
So don't use the small. This is for the bigger one. You have 2 big screw inside. Use
Okay.
here.
Acha,
So
mashallah.
other than that is only. So I will fix it now. Then I will show you.
Okay.
Okay guys, so this is the final
Wow,
touch.
mashallah.
So I have only 2 things left. What I will do, first I will fix it here. They have mentioned this is the place where you can fix it. So like this. So I will tighten the screw first and then I will tell you what next we will do. This one is already I fixed. Now this
Okay.
is the last part, but for that I cannot fix it here. I need to unscrew this screw and then I will push it upside and then I will insert it. So I will unlock this one and then I will show you.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I already unscrewed. You can see now it can be upside, and now this is the time I will put it here like this.
Okay.
And then I will screw it. I have 2 screws here, so I need to tighten it. I will tighten and then I will fix. Now it's ready.
Wow, mashallah.
And before it, I will fix it. This is the last one. Which one you can just use here to cover the
Okay.
motor. So what we will do, we have 2 lockers here.
Mm.
That's all.
Huh? Mashallah. So easy.
Wow. So this one.
What about
this
that too? I am seeing something there.
These are the 2 left. I don't know where we will fix it. So Jannat is already woke up. You see the Jannat, and I will see where we can fix.
Okay.
This I will tighten the screw as well.
Okay.
Okay guys, so I was just worried why it's not getting started. I was just thinking the battery is drained. But when I opened the seat cover and I found when I was about to fix this back cover, I found it they mention here when you are going to start it first time. You need to, you can show here, just come closer. So then we can show. So this is the word, the instruction there. You can see I have here. I'm just taking out the red color wire, the which one is already go inside. So I took out the red color wire.
Okay.
And this is what they mention here. Say, pay attention for the first time if the red color connector. So you need to put the first time the red color connector. But the wire is already fell down. So I was searching where is the red wire. So I could install it. So finally, Alhamdulillah, mashallah, I already connected it and found with the help of this. I took out the red wire. And now Ahmed is excited because it's already working. So I will show you how it will work. So first I am going to fix the seat.
Ahmed, put your iPad there.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just you need to fix the seat here.
Okay.
I will just tighten it now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at this guy. Luckily I have this. I bought it when I was residing in Manila. I bought it. And I never use it, so first time I am using it. So Ahmed is already seeing what it has here. So guys, I will just turn off the light like this. Ahmed wait. Ahmed cannot stop. So this is one. So Ahmed wait. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. This is what, and now this is already started, and now I will just turn. Now I will show you the. Emma, wait. Look at this. This is the back side.
Wow, yes.
Wow.
Then?
Back, and now this is the front.
Okay. Wow! Sige, you showed
So I will just allow Emma to ride. So
Okay,
let's
okay.
see. Just pause it now. Then I will put Emma here, and then we will ride it.
Okay.
Forward, stop, and back. So I will just put it in the middle, which
Okay.
is stop.
Okay.
Now I am going to turn it on. Look at this. The light is already on. And now we are going forward.
Okay.
Ahmed, press this.
Wow! Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. MashaAllah. Wow, 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 wow.
Ahmed, press this. Ahmed, press this. Okay, so now we will go to the back.
Walk,
We
walk,
will go
walk.
back. Ahmed, don't know yet. Ahmed, just go forward. Forward. So, Ahmed, press this.
You just turn
Ahmed already turned
off. MashaAllah. Wow, thank you so much.
So this is all about the gift for Ahmed. Ahmed
Yes.
is so much
Happy.
excited. Ahmed.
No?
Ahmed.
Say thank you.
Ahmed, say thank you so much.
Say
Come
thank you
here.
so much.
Come here.
Wait
Come
for a
sit
while.
here. Sit here.
Okay.
Sit here. I will put it here first now. And the bike is ready.
Yes.
Wow.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Wow. So this is. I will see maybe one while I didn't fix it.
Yes.
So this
Ayan.
light is not working, but this is working.
But alhamdulillah, MashaAllah. So say thank you, baby Kyle. So Raymond, Ma'am Liza.
So first of all, I would like to. Ahmed, come here.
Come here, Ahmad. Say thank you first.
So, I would like to thank to Sir Raymond again, Sir Raymond Buenaventura and his family, his wife,
Ma'am Liza.
Ma'am Liza Buenaventura,
Ventura.
and his grandchild Kyle.
Kyle, who is the
Grandchild
pan?
Kyle, who is watching Ahmed and we are
Yes.
receiving so many blessings. So, thank you so much, sir.
Thank
This
you
is
so
the best gift
much.
Ahmed received.
MashaAllah,
So, I really
MashaAllah.
like this bike, and Ahmed don't know yet, but hopefully he will be a
So,
good rider.
Hey! How many hours?
If I can show you the time, I will show you the time. Wait.
Okay.
So guys, this is the time.
1:41.
So you can see the time is 1:42. So we started 11, right?
MashaAllah, yes.
And now it's 1:42 and I already finally fixed it. Wow. Ahmed just
While the baby
so
Janet
we
is...
are so much happy. Janet
Yes.
is already sleeping and Ahmed is playing here. Janet is already sleeping and it's time already for the fasting.
Yes.
So I will just eat my food and then
Yeah.
and I will do the sari again and
Okay.
inshallah
Inshallah.
I will pray for you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, thank you
May
so
Allah
much.
Ta'ala bless you and give you
Amen,
everything
so
which
much.
you deserve and desire, hopefully. And also, we are happy that we are receiving so many blessings. Thank you
Yes.
so much, sir. And madam.
Sir Raymond, thank you so
and-
much for the support.
Yes. And thank you so much, the whole family.
Yes. This is a pre-birthday gift.
The video length is going to so long, but we tried our best to fix it, and finally, alhamdulillah, we are successful. We are successful. I must say very good. I must say very good.
Say very good first.
I must say very
Wow.
good. I must say very good. Say thank you.
Say thank you, anak. Si Doc. Flying kiss, anak. Flying kiss.
I must say thank you.
Wow.
I must say much. Thank you so much,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you so much. Salamat po.
Salamat.
May Allah Ta'ala bless you all. Amen.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much. Jazakallah khair.
Allah Hafiz. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, guys.
Okay, guys, look at this. Ahmed is already. Let's go backside. Ahmed, press. Yes, very good.
Oh, again.
Go forward.
Forward.
Press. Go back.
Go back.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And
Sir Raymond.
the last thing which I couldn't mention earlier in
Okay.
the brochure, they mention it the age of the application should be 36 to 72 months, and charging time is 8 to 12 hours, and its speed limit is 3 kilometer, and load limit is 25 kg. So this is the one which I forgot to mention. So this
Okay.
is all about today's video.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
We will see you next time. Till then,
Yeah.
take care. Bye.
Bye.
Allah Hafiz. And
Allah
happy birthday to Ahmad in
Happy
advance.
birthday,
Ahmad,
Ahmad.
happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you.
Frankie say I
Ahmad,
love
Frankie.
you. Okay,
Ahmad is
guys.
only interested to play with
Yes.
this. So
Okay,
that's all.
bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Peace.